Hey, so I'm Kit, and this is my self-reflection presentation. So, background about me is I was born in Arch, North Carolina, which is outside of High Point. I've been into sports pretty much all my life. Played high school soccer, and I've raced bicycles, BMX, which is the picture, road, which is a different discipline. I'm a sophomore here at Appalachian, and I'm a dietetics major. So the big five results, uh, my open-mindedness. I typically don't seek out new experiences. I mean, I kind of agree with this. I'd rather just chill at home or do stuff I already know, like doing, like ride bikes or play soccer. I don't go out and look for new adventures because I have fun what I'm doing already. Um, they say I'm well organized and are reliable. Sometimes I don't know if I agree with this 100%. Like, I'm organized to a point. Like, I'll keep my room clean and stuff, and I'll make sure I get the work done. But I'm not good at like time management, so it kind of hurts the organization when you're not good at time management. You push things back and push things back, you become less organized. I tend to shy away from social situations. Um, I agree with this kind of because I'm not really into meeting new people. I don't really like it. I'm usually quiet when I meet someone new. So, I mean, if I know you, I'll be pretty talkative and I'll talk and have a good time. But new situations is where kind of back to I don't seek out new experiences. So, new social situations I'm not really into. So, I should probably work on that because, you got to meet new people your whole life. I find it easy to express irritation with others. This one I really don't agree with because I never usually tell people when I'm mad. I just kind of walk away from the situation. Or if I'm irritated with someone, I'm just going to let them live their life. I'm not going to really argue with anybody. So I don't really agree with that one at all. It's not really who I am. Uh, the last one is I probably remain calm, even in tense situations. Yeah, I agree with this one. I usually don't get real stressed out or real worried about anything. That's just kind of like playing sports your whole life. You just get used to having to do tough situations and just get through with it. So I've learned that a lot through just my experiences in life. Some of the life experiences that have really affected me. The biggest one is probably going to Olympic Training Center. It's what made me want to go into dietetics in the first place. Just like we went over a lot of what you're supposed to eat and food and how it really affects your body. Like if you eat ice cream all day or drink a bunch of soda, you're probably going to cramp up, not getting enough water in your body and stuff. Which is kind of like led me to want to focus on like nutrition in general for athletes. High school soccer also did this. Our coach always got on to us if we like went to McDonald's right before a game and drank a bunch of soda or sweet tea and it's just all sugar. So and then he complained to us when like one of our players cramped in the middle of the game, saying that you got to treat your body right or you'll never make it through the game. So and I worked at Tanglewood BMX, which is a local track for racing, and did rider clinics and just kind of showed me that I wanted to help people and let them learn too what I know and spread the knowledge. Rider clinics are pretty much you go out there and you share your knowledge of racing a bicycle. So it's just that sharing knowledge really helped me want to help, like just teach other people the same things I know. Uh, Plan of development. Well, need to work on time management, so that's probably one of my lowest qualities. Always put things off to the last minute. And just make sure the quality of work I do is good and it's not real low. Short-term goals, first thing is graduate college. And my long-term goal is to get a career in sports nutrition. How to achieve the short-term goal is just work hard in school. And that's like the most important thing, get the grades. And make sure you get through all the classes and just learn as much as you can. Long-term goal So a lot of internships and just getting to learn that field as much as possible. Getting in with people that know sports nutrition is probably the best thing to achieve that long-term goal. And that's pretty much my plan of development. I haven't really gone too far in. My biggest takeaways from this class is really teaches me time management and how bad I am at it. Just because like don't go to a real class and it's all online, so I usually forget about this and do my other classwork, which so it really helped me want to get better at time management. And it showed me like just reading like the textbook and how everything works. You got to plan to be successful. You can't just be like I'm gonna be successful just doing what you're doing. And like success comes from hard work. Like everything in this class is like whether you're running a restaurant or putting in a plan to be successful, you have to work hard at it. You can't just try halfway at it and expect to get anything done at all. And that's into my self presentation.